Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Pooja Soni and today I'm here with a study vlog. If you love study vlogs then please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today I have to complete unit 9 which is all about the artificial intelligence and computer and all these things, and the other subject I have to complete was unit 10, which was all about the commissions, different commissions which is added recently in our syllabus of prelims 2020. Successfully I have completed unit 9 and unit 10. Now I will check mark the task I have completed today. Before that, have a look to it. As you can see, this is journal which I have made. Actually I have binded all my papers which was of no use or was lying here and there, so I have just compiled them, and I have developed a habit of writing journal every day, in which I write my to-do list also, and what was the highlight of the day. I also write that in this journal, and it is very nice to feel that this is made by आर सेल्फ ओनली, मतलब मैंने ही बनाई है और मैं ही उसमें लिख रही हूँ, तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो I have completed World Geography, one chapter, which was about the रिवर्स एंड रिवर्स और झीलें थी कुछ, और महासागर के बारे में मैंने पढ़ा है. तो महासागर वाला जो टॉपिक है, जो चैप्टर है, वो मैंने आधा पढ़ा हुआ है. बाकी झील, नदी और इन सब के बारे में मैंने कंप्लीट कर चुकी हूँ. अब मेरी बारी है फ़िज़िक्स पढ़ने की. फ़िज़िक्स में मैं चैप्टर गति पढ़ने वाली हूँ, और उसके बाद मैं बायो पढ़ूँगी. और बायो का चैप्टर रहेगा मानव शरीर, आई गेस. तो हाँ, मानव शरीर उसका चैप्टर ही काफ़ी बड़ा चैप्टर है, तो उसको मैं आधा पहले कंप्लीट कर चुकी हूँ, अब आधा आज कर लूँगी. सो या इट्स 5:12 एंड विल कंटिन्यू अप टू 6 और 6:30. देन विल सी कि कितना कंप्लीट हो चुका है और कितना बचा है. उस हिसाब से फिर आगे और पढ़ाई करेंगे. सो या So I took a break of 2 hours, and I went for some evening walk also. Then I returned home at 8, as you can see. I have returned at 8 only, 8 p.m. only, and now I will continue my studies. And yeah, I'm very happy that I have completed all my tasks on time, and I'm not running late. Or so yeah, let's continue our studies. So here I am writing my journal. It feels so nice, and when at the end of a month or a week we just go through those days, then we realize that how much productive we were, and what are the faults we have to come over, and what are the good things we have done. And also it's very nice to like plan things. I just plan it a day before. So this is all what I am doing here. And yeah, yesterday and day before yesterday I have not went for an evening or morning walk. But today I have for watching this video, and if you like this video, if you get some motivation from it, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.